Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this particular look which is super easy glam look, and you can tie this look on any color outfit, and this is the particular eye look I will be creating today. It's super easy. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Now without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So firstly I'm using Pond's moisturizer to moisturize my face. Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer for a smooth base and also to last my makeup longer. Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Natural Buff. Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to hide my dark spots. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable to highlight the areas a little more. If you are good with one concealer, you can skip this step. I am just doing it to highlight under my eyes, nose and all the areas where I applied LA Pro Concealer to highlight it more. For baking, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light 50. And I am going to bake this for 2 minutes. Now with very light hands, I am just dusting off the excess powder. Now to set my face, I am using NYX setting spray. And now I am going to fill my brows using this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild in the shade Rose in the Air, and I'm taking that darker brown shade and it's super pigmented, and I'm just filling my sparse area and not the whole eyebrows. I'm just filling my starting point and a little bit at the edge, just my sparse areas. I like my brows to be quite natural, So that's it, and now I'm just combing my brows up for more definite structure. And now you can see the difference. Maybelline Master Contour Palette to bronze my face. And I'm using the same palette to contour my nose. This blush is from Biotic in the shade Coral, and it's very natural, pretty shade. Now I'm using the same eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild for my eyes, and I'm taking that brown shade and just applying it in my outer corners and the inner corners and not at the center. Now I will keep on adding the same color until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation, and also keep on blending. That's the key for the flawless eye look. Now I'm taking that orange shade from the same palette, and I'm just going to pack this color on my outer corners as well as in my inner corners. And now for that center part, I will be applying a glitter shade from Swiss Beauty Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Champion. I will apply this using my fingers and also blend it with my fingers over here. Now I'm taking that orange shade back and packing it on just to intensify the color more. Now I will be back in a minute. And now for my lower lash line, I'm going to combine both the shades. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and this is from Vega. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This one is waterproof. Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal to highlight my high points and also my collarbones. this is Canada Kajal to line my waterline. Now I'm using the same to line my upper lash line, and oh my god, it's a great struggle. Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay. So here is the completed look. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And I'm very extremely sorry. You must have seen in my thumbnail that I have applied eyeliner. I completely forgot to apply that. When everything was over, I packed up everything. I then realized and then I applied it. So I'm extremely sorry for that. So with that, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.